Hello guys, and welcome on our YouTube channel ExcelXam. So today we are going to see how to format the pivot table. So as we saw on the preceding videos, we saw how to format an Excel sheet. So today we are going to see how to format a pivot table. Now the first thing we are going to format are the numbers, and in order to format the numbers, we select the number we wish to format, and we go at the level of the home group. Okay, now in the home group, you're going to see in the home tab, you're going to see the number group, and as you click on the drop down arrow, you're going to have this dialog box. Now in the dialog box, you can actually change the separators, okay, the currency, first of all the numbers, meaning if you wish to have first of all separators, you can include separators. Now if you wish to have decimal places on your numbers, you can. Okay, now talking about the currencies, might be you don't wish or you don't want to have a currency, you put none, okay, as on my condition. Now if you wish that number to have or to be in the date format, you choose the date format which fits you best. Okay, now the time too, if you wish that number to be in the time format, you come and choose the one that fits you the best. Now if you wish that number to be in the percentage form, that is how it's going to be shown, and then the number of decimal places will be reduced according to how you have actually formatted it. Same for fractions and all like. Now if you are done, you click on OK. As you can see, the number has been modified. Okay, now let's try to modify another number like this one. So let's try to increase the cell spaces. Good. So let's try to modify this group of numbers. Okay, I'm looking for the dollar sign, but anyways, let's choose the euro sign. Good. So as you can see, the numbers has been modified according to what I have included in the dialog box. Okay, good. Now it is also possible for you to format the design table styles, and for that you are going to click on design, and on the table style you can actually choose the table style you wish. Now it is also possible for you to design your own table style. Okay, so for that you are going to click on new pivot table style, but anyways you can have other pivot table styles you wish. Okay, so good. So if you wish to include your own pivot table style, you can just click here, and you're going to have this dialog box. Now in the names, you can include the name of the pivot table style you wish. Okay, so let's include ExcelXam, and for the others you can include a table style for the whole table. So if you wish to make modifications or formats that will apply on the whole table, you're going to click on whole table, on the first column, on this first row, on the second row, on the first column, and all the like. So we are going to first of all determine or have some modifications on the whole table. So we come at level of the font. Okay, on the font you are going to see there italics, regular, or like. So we are going to have the bold. Okay, now when you are done, you go at the level of the borders, you include the borders if you wish to have borders, but I am going to put borders. Good. Now for the fillings, if you wish to include fillings, you can include either, in fact, choose the color you wish. Now if you wish more colors, you can now come and have a precise color you would like to have. Okay, good. So if you are done with all of these, you click on okay. Good. So now if you wish to have on the lines, you can have either the single line or a double line, so you can just good. So when you are done with that, you click on OK, and the formatting for the whole table has been set up. So good. So as you can see, if I click here, I will have all my table to be formatted as I have defined earlier. Okay, now the next thing we are going to format are the table elements, and in order to format the table elements, you just come here in the new pivot style, and you're going to see the first row, second row, and online. So if you wish to actually modify the elements that are found in the table, you just come here and choose the appropriate column, the appropriate row. Okay, now the next thing we are going to see is the design band, and for that you go at the level of the design group, and in the pivot style options, okay, you're going to see the banded and unbanded rows, right? So you're going to click on the one that fits you the best. So let's choose one cell and we click the banded row. Good. So when you click on banded row, normally the cell that you have chosen would be banded. Okay, for us to see that clearly, more clearer. I don't know why the option is apparently not going. Anyway, but what else you need to understand is the conditional formatting or the color scales. So you can actually have a scales or a color scale for each of your values, and for that you go at level of the home tab, and in the conditional formatting point, you're going to see color scale. So as you can see on the stars, you have conditional formatting and other formats. So you're going to click on conditional formatting, and you're going to have many color scales as possible. So let's decide on one of them. Good. So as you can see, it will actually change depending on the color I have set up earlier before. So let's have table. Okay, good. So this one if you understand best, you're going to understand that each color represents the highest value, or the more the value is big, the more the color shows up. That is why at the end you're going to have a peak of the values. Okay, meanwhile on the other side, or on the other part, you're going to see that there are some values that are really inexistent. Okay, good. So that is how we define our conditional formatting color skills. Now it is also possible for you to define your own conditional formatting. So you go at level of new rows, and from there you're going to choose the format style. If you wish to have it in a 3-color scale or a 2-color scale. And can also format only one cell. Good. You can also format the number, the font, the borders, and the fields. Ask me to enter the data. Good. So that is how we carry out formattings in the on a pivot table. Good. So we have come to the end of our video. I will ask you to like, to subscribe, and share, and don't forget to scroll down on our YouTube channel and try to visit other videos as this one. So bye bye.